First, I'm using Hydrating Smooth Concealer number 2 as a shadow base all over the eyelid. This will help to hold the eye makeup longer. Slightly tap the brush and apply Genesis eyeshadow all over the eyelid for a sheer iridescent effect. To make an even eyeliner placement, use a bit of concealer with a small brush and slide the brush at the outer eye corner in the direction you want. Following the concealer guidelines, at the top lash corner, draw a line moving up and connect to the crease. Keep moving the eye pencil inwards, making barely any pressure as you line in. With a small brush, dab slightly Cat Noir eyeshadow and define the eyeliner, adding sharp edges at the outer corners. I'm using Fumier eyeshadow, a chic, cool gray color, to blur the pencil for a softer look. Bring the brush to the lower lid for a seamless transition. On the lower lid, I'm adding titanium eyeshadow, a robust pewter, and a dot of Genesis at the center of the lower eyelid. The Gemini Moon Artistic Compact has a gorgeous copper red eyeshadow that is perfect for a pop of color. I'm applying it to the inner eye corner and connecting seamlessly at the crease. This is why you should do eyes first. Clean all the fallout and start fresh for the rest of the makeup. Apply the concealer under the eyes by dabbing across. Focus on the hollow areas. This is best for coverage and minimizing creasing. With a small brush, sharpen the eyeshadow with the concealer by sliding the brush up. The foundation is Aquarelle Visage number 5. I love the coverage and the texture is amazing. I use an oval taper brush to buff the foundation and with my fingertips softly spread the foundation throughout the face and neck. High up on the cheekbone, I'm dabbing Peony Pink Cream Dabber for color intensity and softly blending into the apple of the cheeks. Complexion glow is wow, glides effortlessly. This product melts into your skin, giving you a glow that looks within. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm overlapping it over the Peony Pink on the cheekbones, brow bone, at the center of, tip of the nose, and all over the lips for a luscious effect. Slightly on the forehead for a natural looking glow. I'm saturating the lips with Mute 21 Nude Lip Pencil as I want a solid nude base for the lipstick. Love Blow It lipstick. A fierce light nude on top of the lip liner gives a solid color yet shows the luminosity of the complexion dabber glow, framing her lips. Cheekbones and jawline. Cassidy Sun Duo Bronzer is a gem. 2 tones, either to contour or bronze. On the cheekbones, I slightly move up to the temples, forehead, and jawline. I slightly shade the sides of the nose, connecting to the brows. This is not for pronounced contour, but for a perspective illusion. And finally, I'm sealing the complexion glow with Angelo for an extra sheen. It finishes the makeup beautifully.